All right, Austin Matthews here with us. A near flawless performance in the Wrestlebacks against Edwin Cooper Jr. of Iowa. Getting the fall, getting the early lead, getting the riding time. I mean, was there anything that went wrong in your mind, or do you think you did great?
He kind of pushed the pace offensively, but I countered him well. That's how I score a lot of points, is through scrambles, and he gave me a lot of opportunities to wrestle through those. I don't know why they challenged the first call, but ended up getting 6. Just kept wrestling, got riding time, went down. He had my arm up, I'm flexible. I came out of it, but then on top I got the tilt. Wasn't expecting to pin him in a tilt, but I came out on top, I guess.
Right, cool. And then you almost had a pin there in the first period, but you got plenty of riding time because of that. So,
yeah.
Was there anything that you took from that first period, near experience with the fall, that might prepare you for that one?
I thought his shoulders were going down. If he'd have kept fighting it by pulling my head in, I'd have been able probably to get it, because it was like flattening his shoulders. I saw as I was sitting in it. I mean, that's not really a pinning combination, but it almost worked the first.
And I'm sure you already know, but Patricio Lugo, right before you, had a fall, so you're the second straight fighting Scott to get one. Casey Fuller's up next. Any advice for him?
Just go get it. He's doing well. He wrestled an Iowa guy yesterday and beat him 6-3, so he's on a roll. He's a tough kid.
All right. Any final thoughts before your next match later?
Just still coming. I got to get an All-American spot.
All right, excellent, Austin. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Yep. Catch you later.
Thanks.